In the vast emptiness, a single marker stands against the unrelenting storm, a testament to endurance.
Deploying recovery cable now. Hold steady. Copy that. Standing by. Watch for drift. Winds are picking up.
Keep your eyes peeled for anything unusual. Found something over here, look. Interesting. It looks old. Let's check it out.
The dual-rotor heavy-lift helicopter. For decades it lay dormant, a ghost of a bygone era claimed by the sea. Transporting the salvage from the seabed proved to be a critical first step. The extraction is now underway. The rusting relic, encrusted with the sea's growth, stands sentinel against the slow, unwavering currents.
The perimeter is secure. Proceed with the drop-off.
The sea winds were relentless. This old beast, once a giant in its day, now just a monument to time and rust.
The rusting Leviathan stood silent now, a monument to forgotten labor in the damp, desolate harbor.
Decades of neglect meant the barnacles had set deep. Getting the tracks clear was the first step to bringing the old girl back to life. The accumulation of corrosion and marine growth on this vessel represents years of neglect.
All right, just a little more. Come on, push it. Got it. Now to hold it.
The relentless march of time, eroding even the strongest of metals. Yet, in this decay lies a strange, quiet beauty.
The scale of the work ahead is immense. This machine holds decades of wear and neglect. We have to start somewhere, methodically reclaiming it piece by piece.
This old gear is really encrusted. It's gonna take some elbow grease to get this rust off and see if it's salvageable.
The old crane sat there for years, a rusting monument to forgotten ambition, silently watching the world continue without it.
The exterior corrosion is extensive, particularly on the main chassis and track assembly. Barnacle infestation is...
The intake manifold looks cracked. I think we'll need to replace it. Yes, I see it. Grab the wire brush, I'll stabilize the frame. All right, time to tackle this rusted bolt. You can see the dust flying as the impact wrench gets to work on the corrosion.
The temperature of the flame exceeds 3,000 degrees Celsius, allowing the torch to cut through even the densest steel with ease.
All right, let's focus on this front section. Copy that. Push up on that side panel. I'll hit this seam here. Got it. It's giving way now. All right, let's take a closer look at the internals of this transmission unit here. You can see the heavy buildup of rust and grime. All right, let's see what we've got here. That oil looks pretty bad. Time to get to work. Welcome to our inventory showcase. Today, we're featuring a selection of robust industrial components, including heavy-duty bolts, precision gears.
This circular engine part requires a thorough cleaning. First, we soak it to loosen the grime, then check for any deep rust before beginning the repair.
The powerful jet of water makes light work of the rust and dirt on this old machine.
Keep the bristles moving to remove the thick oil. Make sure every tooth is clean to prevent wear. The heavily rusted gearbox casing undergoes an intense ultrasonic cleaning process. Works to strip away cleated. The heart of the machine beats here, and keeping it clean is critical. Let's make this motor sing again. Welcome to our workshop tour. Here we showcase precision machine metal components, essential for industrial applications.
The heart of the engine, slowly returning to its former glory. Precision is everything.
Welcome to our latest product showcase. Feast your eyes on these precision-engineered cast metal parts, ready for assembly.
You can see the slight variation in the machining process right there. It's subtle, but it's crucial for the final assembly.
Applying the light gray primer to ensure complete coverage before the main coat. Checking the edges carefully.
Keep your arms steady and the gun moving to avoid runs. Rotate the part for even coverage. That looks much better.
This heavy-duty industrial casing, coated in a smooth, matte gray primer, rests on sturdy wooden trestles ready for finishing.
All right, time to mix this yellow. Need to make sure it's consistent for the final layer.
Blades. This precise, industrial coating protects heavy machinery from corrosion, ensuring durability and longevity. The dual-flanged wheel undergoes precise application of high-quality industrial paint.
This massive, custom-fabricated yellow beam is a testament to our precision engineering and dedicated craftsmanship.
Keep the tip submerged to prevent air from entering the system. Now, clean the feed tube thoroughly with the brush.
Precision engineering, durable craftsmanship. These are the components built to endure. Ready for assembly. This is the final fabrication stage of the overhead crane crossbeam, ready for installation. The paint is cured and the wheels are aligned. All right, bringing it down slow. Just a few more inches. Easy does it. And she's in. Good. All right, align the bearing with the shaft. Got it. Now thread the nut. Hand me the wrench. Right, tighten it down good and tight. Checked. Secure. All right, time to install this bearing. Careful placement is key. Now a gentle tap to ensure it's seated properly. Next up.
This is where precision meets power. Securing this hydraulic cylinder is crucial for the structural integrity of the heavy equipment.
The hydraulic mechanism is critical. It needs to be perfectly calibrated before assembly. Ensure the lines are secure and no leaks are present. All right, check the sealant right here. Yep, looks tight. Now about the alignment on the roof. Give it a nudge. Perfect, good work.
Precision is critical. You must ensure the socket is firmly seated before applying torque. Check for any movement.
This scene showcases the robust construction of our heavy industrial tractor. Powerful, exposed multi-cylinder engine.
All right, that glass is secure. Let's make sure this door swings right. I've got to make sure this connection is perfectly secure. It's the main feed for the gauges. Now, I'll thread this blue wire through here.
Secure the bracket first, then align the seat. Then
make sure it's tight. Just right, that should hold.
The heavy-duty boom is securely attached to the overhead carriage. It begins its slow, controlled traverse across the workshop.
I think it's got too much slack.
check the tension, let me know.
Just need to take a quick reading here. Looks good, we're all set. All right, time to check the connections on this hydraulic arm. Just need to make sure everything's tight and ready to go before we test it. Looks good.
The restoration is nearly complete, just this final adjustment.
Good work, it's looking perfect. Just need to tighten this last connection. All right, ready for a test run. The safety precautions are crucial for operational longevity and personnel security. Ensure they are followed.
The hydraulic crane readies for action, retracting its boom and preparing to move the heavy hook into position.
Here we see the technician securing the main hydraulic lines. Precision is key when working with high-pressure systems like this.
All right, so the first thing you want to do is isolate the main power wire here before we start testing the connections on the ignition relay.
First, ensure the starter motor is correctly seated before connecting the positive cable to the battery terminal.
The engine is currently undergoing a full load test, simulating extreme operating conditions.
The gauge initially reads 16 megapf. We need to carefully adjust the valve until it stabilizes at 12 megapf.
Now we apply the final torque to the track tensioner bolt. It takes effort, but you'll feel when it seats properly.
The starter motor seems to be the issue. Look at these connections.
I think it's the fuel pump timing causing the hesitation.
Yes, that makes sense. Check the pressure regulator.
Watch as the new Apex crawler crane effortlessly exits the warehouse, demonstrating unparalleled mobility and power. Regular cleaning of the exterior surfaces prevents buildup and ensures optimal machine performance.
He applies firm, even pressure, pulling the squeegee down the glass to clear the water and grime effectively.
Applying the correct torque to these track bolts is critical for safety and performance. It takes significant force.
This specialized low loader is designed for maximum payload capacity, ensuring efficient transport of industrial equipment as seen here.
The heavy-duty flatbed arrives with the excavator, prepared for the upcoming construction phase.
Using the binder correctly is critical for safety.
Make sure the links are secure and apply consistent downward force until the mechanism locks.
Transporting this massive excavator base requires specialized heavy haulage equipment and careful route planning to navigate these narrow country roads.
We've been working in this trade for over 40 years now.
Yeah, and we still love coming in every morning.
Transporting heavy equipment across uneven terrain requires careful guidance and powerful machinery, such as this unit moving the excavator base.
Hook the binder securely, then use the bar for leverage. Keep the pressure steady until the final link locks into place.
Here we see the crane being secured for transport. The chains must be tight to ensure safety on the road.
We're preparing the vintage crane for transport on the flatbed. Securing these tracks properly is crucial for safety on the road.
The excavator's powerful tracks grip the loose terrain, efficiently churning the earth and displacing gravel as it advances. Placement of the main structural framework begins. This marks a major milestone in the project's timeline.
Precision is paramount when moving structural steel. The ground crew must guide the load smoothly to prevent danger.
The massive yellow crane carefully lifts the steel beam, demonstrating the precision required for erecting the structure's framework.
All right, take it up. Watch the bracing. Easy, easy. Bring it left a touch. Looks good. Set it down.